Hello friends, welcome to the Intron YouTube channel and let's start with the first session of learning Python with the Intron. So in this video, we will see what is the Python and why to use the Python. We will see only the necessary things that you should know about the Python. So now let's see what is the Python. Python is one of the fastest growing language. Python seems to have the more scope in the future. You might have heard this before also. You can search the top 10 programming language of the future on the Google. You can see that the Python is on the first position. This is the importance of the Python. Generally, Python is general purpose high level interpreted language that has an easy syntax. So friends, we will not go into much more deep of the history of the Python. We will see only the necessary things that are required. Python was designed by the Guido von Rossum in the year of 1989. Python has different versions like Python 2, Python 3. Latest version of the Python is Python 3.8.3. So you can directly download it from the internet and its link we have provided in the description. Now let's see the second important point, that why to learn the Python. What is its use? So friends, Python is the base for all the advanced languages which has scope in the future. For example, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, deep learning, etc. As well as Python is beginner friendly languages. You might be thinking that what is meant by the beginner friendly language. So beginner friendly language means the language that we use in general life. Python is very similar to that language. Python syntax are based on our regular speaking language. For example, if you want to find the largest number in the Python, then you can directly use the function or method called as the maxdef. If you want to sort the complete numpy array, you can use the predefined function in the Python, that is sort. If you want to write something, you can directly tell the Python to print the particular thing what you want to write. So Python is very friendly language and it has a very easy syntax that we will learn in the further videos. You all guys are new to these programming languages. You might be thinking whether Python is easy, medium, difficult. What kind of languages is this? So don't worry guys, it's quite interesting and easy languages and has a simple syntaxes. Even if you think it's a difficult language for you, so don't worry guys, here we are to make it easy for you. So keep learning, happy learning friends, and like, share and subscribe our channel to learn concept easily and up to the mark. Thank you.